I had no idea they could pack this many features into a half-ton towable pull behind. Today we're checking out the 2026 Wildwood 300ICE. This thing is packed with tons of features. Along with that, it's half-ton towable, coming in at just over a tick over 7,900 pounds. And it coming in at 35 foot, 10 inches long. Let's check it out. In the back, we've got a super nice bunk area with a desk, perfect for working. Kids are homeschooled or you gotta work on the road. Right here with nice back support. Coming up these steps right here, we got our bed right here. It even lets down. I'll show you on the other side when we get there if you need a little bit more sleeping space. Super nice feature, double doors on the back. Here's the other side of it right here. Super nice chill area. You can put a TV right here, hang out, watch the games, maybe play some video games for your kids, it doesn't matter. Super awesome, has tons of utility, and this thing even lays down for another sleeping area. And as you can see, like I said, if you wanted some more sleeping area on the other side, that bunk lays down. Check that out. Wildwoods are known for their versatility and their utilization of all the space. So most all of them come with hidden totes, which is super duper nice. I always tell people, if you got your camper in storage, you just bring these totes into your house, pack up all your camping stuff that you're gonna need for the weekend or however long you're gonna be out, and then you just put them in the truck, slide them under here, and you're good to go. Again, if you want more sleeping area, this also lays down into a bed as well. Goes up super easy. Got a fireplace right here, works like an electric space heater with effects. Nice big table, and we got a televator right there. If you wanted to put a TV there, you can. Nice farmhouse design in the kitchen. Again, they utilize all the storage. They've really outdone themselves with this one, I'm gonna tell you right now. Sink. 3 burners with an oven, super nice. You wonder where the microwave is? Bang, we got you right there. Super duper nice accent lightings all around. It's got these shelves. I'm telling you, they really outdid themselves. Like I said, I'm gonna keep saying that throughout the video because they've just packed so much stuff in this under 36 foot travel trailer, okay? Got our refrigerator right here and a ton of pantry space. Making our way back, we got a walk-through bathroom right here. It's super nice because it gets the full width of the trailer. So you got all the space you could possibly need and tons of storage, linen closet right here. Look, I'm 6'2" and I fit in this thing just fine. Got our sink, like I said, tons and tons of storage. Super nice. Got some hooks for our towels. Got a mirror to see how pretty we are every day. Now that we're in the master bedroom, check this out. It's got a king size 66 by 78 bed and it's tilt-a-bed. And some things that you'll never see in travel trailers, I got something for you. For my extended stay people, we got washer dryer hookups right in the bedroom. On the side of the bed, we got storage right here and storage right here, along with it over the top. And it's nice design right here. It's really aesthetically pleasing, and it's got nightstands, double level right there. We got our hooks right here in case we want to hang some robes up or some towels right outside our bathroom. And got an exit right to the outside. That was a ton of features on the inside, but it's feature packed on the outside as well. Take a look at this pass-through storage. First thing, I like the little stuff, so this is a big pass-through storage, but what I mean by little stuff is you got a dry erase board right there on the other side. Super nice. Want to make a little checklist before y'all head out on an adventure. For when we're hanging out at night, it's got LED strips along the camping side of the trailer, so you get all the light you need when you're hanging out by the campfire. Humongous awning. It gets a little hot like it is today, okay? Find your little piece of shade. While you're hanging out, you got JBL speakers on the outside, bumping little tunes while we're hanging out. Right next to that, we got a refrigerator, keep a couple beverages, stay hydrated and everything. Right under that, still covered by the awning, is we got a quick LP connect. So you want to carry a little Blackstone or something, grill out, you have that capability. Outdoor shower right here, double axle, gotta have it. Got a TV mount right here, hanging out watching the game. I'm telling you, you can do whatever you want with this trailer inside or out. Dual entry like we mentioned previously. Taking a walk around to the back, we got a spare tire right equipped right there. It's backup camera prepped. I would highly suggest you get one of those, makes life easier, a lot less stressful, okay? Walking around some more, nice new Wildwood design right here, super sleek, really stands out. Of course, this is where the magic happens. 50 amp service, and then we got our cable hookup and our fresh water and city water connection right here. Under that, we got our sewer hose connector right there. And they label everything, so super user friendly and everything. Bang, tankless hot water heater. If you know, you know. Boom, it's got an on-demand hot water so you can take as long a showers as you want. Electric tongue jack, 2 propane bottles on both sides. Make sure you're fully equipped for as long as you want to go. That was a lot to unpack, but that's not always a bad thing. As you can see, they packed all the features you could possibly want in this travel trailer. My name's TJ Edwards. My number's 256-755-0500. If you want to see more like the 300 ICE, come down and see us at Bankston Motor Homes. We'll see you soon. Peace.